Idli is my most favorite breakfast recipe. It's soft, it's fluffy, and I love it with coconut chutney. But today, I'm going to show you a little different variation. That is Kanchipuram Idli. Hi guys, this is Ruchi Bharani. Welcome to Rajshri Food, your ultimate destination for 100% vegetarian recipes. So first I'm going to start with explaining a little bit about the idli steamer. You can even use a pressure cooker without the vent valve or a large pot, and all you need is a stand like that and fill it up with water. Place the stand. If you have the idli mold, you can place that. But today I'm going to make the idlis in these small bowls. So I'm going to place a plate. Make sure there's enough water inside. And now turn on the flame. Let the water come to a boil. Next, to the batter. So for the batter, I've taken around 150 grams of urad dal or white lentils and soaked it for 6 to 7 hours. Drain out all the water and grind it into a smooth paste. The next ingredient that you're going to mix after grinding the urad dal into a smooth paste is the idli rava. It's basically made from the idli rice. It's broken. So rinse this idli rava at least 2 to 3 times nicely with water and add it to the urad dal paste. I've taken around 250 grams of idli rava and then let this ferment for another 8 hours. So after it's fermented, this is how it looks. The batter becomes nice, light and fluffy and also has a nice sour smell to it. Let's give this a mix. You can see the air in this batter. So the batter of Kanchipuram Idli is flavored a little bit. So I'm going to make a tadka for this. So heat a little bit of ghee or oil, whatever you have. Once the ghee is nice and hot, into this I'm going to add in 1.5 tablespoons of dry urad dal. Next goes in a few cashew nut pieces. Also a teaspoon of cumin seeds and 10 to 12 peppercorns. Cook all these ingredients till the urad dal turns a little brown and the cashew nut also should catch some color. Next into this, I'm going to add in few broken pieces of curry leaves. This is optional, so if you like to add it, you can. I like the flavor of curry leaves in this. And also half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Give this a mix. And quickly add this tadka into the batter. Also add in salt to taste. And give this a good mix. I have a beautiful yellow color batter ready. And now one thing you need to take care of, you can always pour this batter if it's nicely fermented into your molds and steam the idlis. But if you feel that you want to make them earlier and keep it, the idlis tend to basically turn a little hard after it's cooled down. So what I do is I add a teaspoon of ENO before I steam them. And you have to add the ENO right before you steam the idlis. So make sure the water is nicely boiling. So a teaspoon of ENO goes in. This just makes the batter even more airy. And now I'm going to pour this batter into the molds. So I've slightly greased the molds with oil. Just fill around 3/4 portion of the mold. The water has come to a boil. I'm going to place these idli molds in this plate very quickly. Cover it and let this steam for at least 12 minutes on high flame. So Kanchipuram is a small town in Tamil Nadu which is very, very rich in its ancient history and beautiful temples out there, and I've been there. So my main motive was not just to go and visit the temples, but was also to shop the beautiful Kanchipuram saris that are there. This weave is very peculiar to the region. And once you're there in South India, you can't miss the awesome food. "12 minutes are up, and now I'm going to open the steamer. So first, turn off the flame. Be very careful because it's very, very hot. Open the steamer. And now I'm going to bring out this plate of idlis. Let it rest for at least 2-3 minutes before you unmold it. These are slightly cooled down. Let's unmold them. Just take a knife and run it through the edge very carefully. So we make regular idlis at home. Try these for a change. Just be very accurate as far as the proportions are concerned. So that is 150 grams of urad dal is to 250 grams of idli rava. So do give this a try and let me know how they turned out. Don't forget to subscribe to Rajshri Food. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.